So I'm not gonna lie, I know that this background is absolutely trash, but in all honesty, I don't really have a place to film at the moment because this entire room is an absolute mess. So I thought that this would be a good opportunity to do some spring cleaning, some much needed spring cleaning, and to just kind of restart and get my life together, because right now it's definitely fallen off the tracks. It's fallen off the deep end. For the past couple days, I've just been not really feeling good. I haven't taken care of myself. I haven't taken care of, my surroundings, and I haven't been able to even wake up in the morning and want to go throughout my day. I just want to lay in bed all day, and I know we all have those moments, but it's been dragging on for a couple of days now, so we really have to fix that. But today we are gonna get our life back together, and we're gonna do some cleaning, we're gonna do some self-care, whatever you want to call it. Yeah, I decided to change the background. My dog is in here chewing on something. Hopefully you can't hear that. I changed the scenery for you. I don't know. I wasn't really feeling the other one, honestly. I was just, I didn't even make the bed. It's really, really bad. I know. We'll get to that in a second. But basically, I've made a list of a couple things that I'm going to do to just kind of the reset button and just improve my life from the state that it is. I just let my dog out of my room, and now she wants back in, so we'll see how that works out for her. Yeah, if you want to come along for the journey, I welcome you to. So I guess the first thing on my to-do list for today is to get breakfast, because I have not done that yet. It is 9:30. I don't know, I woke up feeling a little nauseous. I think it's because of my gallbladder, because I've been having some issues lately, and also doesn't help the fact that I was hungover the other day. So it's probably just has something to do with that, unfortunately. But I'm still going to make myself breakfast. I'm going to start my day off the best that I can at this point. So breakfast first. So today I decided to have a gluten-free bagel for breakfast. I normally have a gluten-free everything bagel with cream cheese, vegan cream cheese. My dog trying to break into my room. This is a new brand that I'm trying out because I didn't feel like going to Ralph's and Trader Joe's for my groceries, so I got these from Ralph's. I soon found out that they were not as good as the other ones that I've had before from Trader Joe's. They literally fell apart once I started cutting into them, and my husband saw me struggling and then gently cut a different one and took the broken one that I had, so I could have a nice bagel for breakfast. So that was nice. And I toast it, obviously. Can't have an untoasted bagel. So that was my breakfast. I watched some Dance Moms, and that was my little morning. Okay, so the lighting seems to be okay still, which is kind of surprising. It's been an hour. I'm going to finally start cleaning my room. The next thing I'm going to do is make my bed, because that is an easy task I can accomplish right now. We washed the sheets and everything earlier this week. As you can see, it looks like that. So yeah, I guess I'll go do that. So I think I'm putting my duvet cover on wrong. I don't know what I'm doing. I really don't. Okay, so if you didn't realize what I just picked up here, it's my sheet, my second sheet that's supposed to go on top of like the fitted sheet that cinches around each corner. Yeah, I forgot to put this on. Am I gonna put it on? Probably not. Should I? Absolutely. But you know what? We're too far into this and I already pretty much finished making the bed. So no, I'm not gonna put it on. I don't know what I'm gonna do with it actually. It's not going on the bed though. Oh my god. Do you see? I'm extremely crusty. And what word is that? Musty, crusty. That's the definition of how I look right now. So it's also because I'm sweating because it's absolutely hot in here. All right, so now that the bed is made, the next thing I have to do is laundry. It's been a hot second since I've done my laundry, so I might have to do 2 separate loads. I'm probably gonna clean up around my room so that when it's done, everything can be fun and clean and cute. And yeah, so I guess I'll go do my laundry and then we'll go from there because there is a lot to clean up, a lot, so let's go do that. Okay, so the first thing I do before I do my laundry is I actually separate it into delicates and regular clothing or whatever the opposite of delicates would be. I put the delicates in a pillowcase, or I just put them in this little like pouch that I normally have. I just don't know where it is, but it just protects it from other clothes like smashing into it in the washer. I guess I'll just do that first and then we'll wash our laundry. As of now, I've cleaned up pretty much everything in my room. It doesn't really look like it right now, but I'll show you what it looks like in a second. I'm gonna go start the second load of laundry, eat lunch, and then we'll just go from there. This chair keeps moving. Oh. Okay, I just put on a sweater because I'm really cold for whatever reason. Maybe it's because my room feels more empty. Maybe, probably not, but for the most part, it's pretty clean. Yeah, hopefully you can't hear that dryer going, but that's my second load of laundry rattling in there. I just came back from eating lunch. Now what I'm gonna do today is finish doing my laundry. So I have a load to fold, one is in the dryer. Next I'll probably work out. I don't want to work out, but I'll probably work out because I haven't worked out and I don't know how long it's been. It's been a hot second, so yeah, I'll probably do that and clean myself up. That's gonna take a hot second, so bear with me while I do that. But right now I'm gonna go fold my laundry. How exciting. So I actually just changed into my workout outfit. It's nothing special. I probably got it from Walmart like 5 years ago, not gonna lie. I already did my warm-up, that's why I'm glistening in sweat. So I'm gonna do my workout. I'm not gonna procrastinate, I'm just gonna do it. So yeah. Trying to figure out the best way to film it. We'll just do it here. Okay, so I just got out of the shower. Clearly, I'm wearing this hair towel. That's pretty much it. I did my little, oh my gosh, I'm sweating. Why am I always sweating in this room? I got out of the shower and I did my skincare routine and put my hair up in this hair towel. Now I'm just ready to relax for the rest of the day. I feel like I can't do this with my hair up like this. Hopefully this is somewhat better. I have a large forehead, so I tend to look bald when my hair is up in towels or in a hair tie or whatever, but it's okay. So unfortunately, when you start to clean your room, you end up misplacing things. And I misplaced my camera battery, and the other one that was in my camera is now dead, so that's why we're filming on a phone right now. So like I said, I just took a shower because I felt like I needed to cleanse myself and just have I want to say fresh start to the day, but it's the end of the day. So I don't know, just have a fresh start, just feel cleansed of everything. And I feel so much better. I guess I'll let you know what I did for my skin routine. I normally use... Oh my gosh, this is like such an ugly area to film, but let me just... So this is what I use for my face wash. It is the Cetaphil Gentle Cleanser. I love it. Very gentle on the skin, as it says that it should be. My face normally feels really soft after I use it. I use it morning and night. And after that, I use this one probably twice a week. It's like this pore unclogging salicylic thing. I don't recommend using it every single day because it will dry out your skin. But if you're feeling really crusty and oily and you just need a refresher on your face, this is a great option. I feel like it definitely takes all of the dirt and out of my pores, so it does its job. It's just kind of drying, but yeah, you only need a little bit of it. Next thing I use if it's nighttime, so I use this. It's Curology. I love Curology. I heard about it a couple years ago and finally caved in and got it 2 years ago, and let me tell you, I had a decent amount of acne. I still have pimples on my face, but for the most part it's like 90% gone, and this is how that happened. I love Curology. Go Curology. I use that every night. And then after that, I use this Neutrogena moisturizer. It is a gentle skin moisturizer. I love it. It says it doesn't clog pores. I don't think it clogs your pores at all. I think it just leaves your skin feeling soft, but not like sticky. Just, I don't know the word, but moisturized. Yeah, I guess that's the word. So I really enjoy this one. I use this morning and night as well. Yeah, I know my skincare routine is not perfect. I'm working on it consistently. I probably should try some new products soon to just rotate what I have because my skin is kind of at a halt, but you can always improve. So the next thing I use is eye cream. This is the morning one, and then I just use this night one. It's just like you dab it on right underneath your eyes. This one is the Olinear, is that how you say it? Olinear Cosmetics. There's a lot of good reviews on Amazon. That's where I got it from. The only thing that I put on my hair is this leave-in elixir. It's, as you can tell, by Matrix. It's called Total Results Break Fix Leave-in Elixir. I really like it. It makes my hair super soft. Yeah, I use it every time I get out of the shower on my damp hair. That's like one of the only ones that actually works for my hair. I think I am done for the day, done for a while with cleaning. I feel so much more refreshed than I did at the start of the day. I honestly feel the hole in my shirt. I feel so much better than I did I feel so much better now than I did at the beginning of the day. I feel a lot more refreshed and just like clear-minded, and yeah, I'm really happy that I got to take you along on this journey today. And I hope that if you're feeling like you're in a rut or you're stuck and you just want to, have a reset button, do what I did. Follow along this video. Watch this video while you clean your room, while you do your skincare routine, while you do literally whatever makes you feel happy and better and organized and decluttered. And yeah, all right, that's all I got for my advice and motivational speaking. I think I'm done for the day. I don't know what I'm gonna do. Probably edit this video and relax. Bye, friends.